Arizona lethal injection execution lasts nearly 2 hours. Arizona prisoner Joseph Wood died almost 2 hours after he received his lethal drug injection cocktail. During the unusually prolonged execution, witnesses reported seeing Wood snorting and gasping for breath more than 600 times before dying. Wood, sentenced to death for a 1989 murder, received on Wednesday a cocktail of midazolam and hydromorphone that had only been used once before in an execution in Ohio. Officials administered Wood the lethal injection at 1:52 p.m. and confirmed his sedation 5 minutes later. He was seen breathing at 2:02 p.m. and continued to snore and gasp for breath for more than an hour before he was pronounced dead at 3:49 p.m. This drawn-out execution prompted Arizona Governor Jan Brewer to order a review of the process, saying in a statement that she was concerned by the length of time it took.